Stop right there before you grab that comb or brush and start fighting those tangles. Listen up. What if I told you that everything you know about detangling is wrong? This one game-changing technique could completely transform your hair and protect it from breakage forever. If you've been fed up with endless breakage and frustration from your usual routine, you're not alone. But here's the thing, this isn't like anything you've tried before. It's simple, it's effective, and it will make detangling feel like a breeze. In this video, I'll show you how to say goodbye to painful detangling sessions and broken strands for good. Ready to find out how? Let's get started. 2. Common detangling mistakes. The struggle. How many times have you yanked through knots only to look at your hair afterward and notice it's thinner, weaker, or frizzier than before? It's the result of using the wrong methods, and it's time to fix that. We've all been there. You're in a rush, you grab the first comb or brush you can find, and you start tugging through those pesky tangles. It might seem like the quickest option, but in reality, this could be doing more harm than good. Overcombing, tugging at knots, using the wrong tools. All of these contribute to hair breakage. Your hair becomes fragile, and each combing session only exacerbates the problem. We often think that detangling quickly will save us time, but in reality, it causes our hair to become weaker, more prone to damage, and harder to manage. But don't worry, there's a better way. 3. Introducing the amazing detangling technique. The secret trick. Here's the game-changing technique. Finger detangling with a hydrating leave-in conditioner. Yes, you heard that right. Finger detangling combined with the right products is the safest and most effective way to get through even the toughest tangles. It's simple, but it works wonders. The beauty of finger detangling is that it gives you more control. When you use your fingers instead of a comb, you can feel each knot and carefully work through it, rather than just forcing your way through and causing breakage. But that's not all. The magic happens when you combine this technique with the right moisturizing product. A hydrating leave-in conditioner adds slip, making the process smoother, and keeps your hair moisturized, reducing the risk of frizz and breakage. Why it works. Using your fingers instead of a comb gives you more control, allowing you to gently separate the strands without pulling them harshly. Plus, using a moisturizing leave-in conditioner adds hydration, making the process even smoother. It's a gentle, nurturing approach that prevents damage and leaves your hair looking and feeling healthier. Step-by-step guide to finger detangling. Now that you know the secret, let's dive into the step-by-step process of finger detangling. Step 1. Start with damp hair. Spray your hair with water or start with freshly washed damp hair. Damp hair is more pliable and less likely to snap compared to dry hair. Step 2. Apply a leave-in conditioner or a detangling spray. Use a generous amount of leave-in conditioner or a detangling spray. This adds moisture and helps separate your strands, making them much easier to work with. Hydration is essential. Look for products that are rich in nourishing ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, or coconut oil. Step 3. Section your hair. Divide your hair into smaller sections. Start with one small, overwhelming yourself. This will also help prevent tangling in other areas while you're working through one part. Dividing your hair into sections allows you to focus on one area at a time, ensuring you don't miss any knots and that the detangling process is much easier to manage. Smaller sections also make it easier to apply product evenly and get the job done faster without rushing. Step 4. Begin detangling with your fingers. Starting at the ends, use your fingers to gently work through the knots. Slowly and carefully pull apart tangles by running your fingers through the hair in a downward motion. This is the moment where you'll really start to notice the difference. Begin at the ends of your hair, not at the roots, and gently work your way up. Be patient. Rushing or pulling too hard can cause damage, but being slow and gentle allows your hair to remain intact, minimizing the risk of breakage. Step 5. Move to larger section. Once the section is detangled, move on to the next. Don't rush. Taking your time reduces the risk of breakage. This method may take a little longer than traditional combing, but trust me, it's worth it. Your hair will thank you for being gentle and thorough. Prompt. Before we continue, what's the biggest detangling challenge you face? Is it breakage, knots, or frizz? Drop a comment below and let's discuss how we can all overcome these struggles together. I want to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation going. Share your detangling struggles and any tips you have. We're all in this together and your feedback could help others too. Bonus tips for even smoother results. Tip 1. Use a wide tooth comb after finger detangling. Once finger detangling is done, you can use a wide tooth comb to glide through your hair smoothly, removing any remaining knots without pulling or causing breakage. Tip 2, add moisturizer after detangling. As you work through your hair with this technique, you'll notice smoother, shinier strands with no breakage or knots. Your hair will feel healthier and softer after each detangling session. Over time, you'll see the visible difference. With regular use of this technique, your hair will become shinier, healthier, and more manageable. No more frizzy, brittle strands, just soft, smooth hair that feels stronger with every detangle. Time commitment. Yes, this might take a little longer than the quick, harsh methods, but trust me, your hair will thank you later. The slower, more deliberate approach is the secret to healthy, tangle-free hair. While this method may take a little more time than using a comb or brush, it's a worthwhile investment in the health of your hair. You'll notice fewer knots, less breakage, and better overall texture. It's a time investment that will pay off in the long run. Recap. So forget the tugging and pulling. Start using your fingers and a hydrating leave-in conditioner to detangle your hair the right way. It's the secret to smooth, breakage-free hair that'll grow longer and stronger. Now that you know the secret, it's time to put it into practice. Finger detangling with a hydrating leave-in conditioner will give you the smoothest, healthiest hair possible. Share your results in the comments below and let me know how it worked for you. Your hair transformation starts today. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'm excited to hear about your results. Like and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of hair growth tips, a lot of hair growth content, 360 wave content, and yeah, we look forward to interacting with y'all. So thank you for your time.